Week 7 was a transition into Physics Project 2. Our final questions about electricity and magnetism were answered. At this time, everyone has a good understanding of how a disposable camera circuit works. Project 2 will be focused on infrared technology. Our project will use either an infrared, break beam, or proximity sensing. This week we did a review of the circuit tests that we took weeks ago. I did some research on infrared break beams and proximity sensing. In class we learned about electromagnetic radiation. We also thought about ideas for the project. Our group has decided that we want to make a catapult launch a jelly bean within IR when the IR break beam is broken. We have already thought about some of the difficulties we may be facing with this idea, but hopefully it will all work out. There is a lot that I learned this week. A break beam sensor consists of an IR transmitter and an IR receiver. The IR receiver responds only when the beam is broken and can no longer sense the beam. Proximity sensing can tell a robot about when it is near an object. One specific proximity sensor I learned about was the photoelectric proximity sensor. This sensor consists of a light beam generator, a photodetector, a special amplifier, and a microprocessor. The photodetector is able to pick up on the light reflection created by the light beam sensor. The different frequencies what allow the robot to know how far away an object is. The source of all electromagnetic radiation is accelerating charge. The electromagnetic radiation spectrum ranges from low-frequency radio waves to high-frequency gamma rays. There are many things that I still need to learn. How can I apply my research knowledge to the project? What do I still need to learn in order to make this project work? How does a breadboard work? I know that our circuit is going to require a component called a relay, but what exactly is a relay? I can see a difficult task ahead of me with the upcoming project. I have already learned about electromagnetic radiation and different types of sensors. There is still a lot I need to learn in order to make this project work. Our group has come up with ideas for the project, but can we make it work? Our second project will be more difficult than the first because each group will be building something different.